Hi, I'm DizzyAngelDemon, and thanks for joining me for another anime figure unboxing. I have skipped through some of the figures I've gotten. I'll go back and do videos for them later, but she's my latest one, and I decided to just jump ahead and do her. It is Panis Angelicus. It's 1/8. Here we go. Whoa, brightness. Sorry about that, my desk lamp. How can I angle her there? It's a Panis Angelicus. It's 1/8 scale pre-painted figure. It's a character designed by Tony Taka, and it's from the Shining Ark series. So, I haven't opened her up yet. And wait a second. Oh no, so I just broke the seal. Let's see, it's by Kotobukiya. Probably pronouncing that wrong. My Japanese is atrocious and basically non-existent. Alright. She's well packaged. Lots of little flaps keeping her secure. I should actually. So I'm pre-teasing you. Let's just show you the box. Lots of really great windows, so you can get a nice view of her back. And I'm not sure what's with the toast-shaped windows, but okay. Alright, so this is her in her packaging. There's something underneath, not sure what. I'm just going to take the hobby knife, cut through all the little bits of tape. Okay. Assembly instructions taped to the bottom. I may or may not need those, we shall see. Now, she comes with multiple wings and two different torsos, because you can have her with both wings on or just one. So this torso looks the same from the front, but in the back only has space for one of the wings. She is really nice, propped on a really nice little base. Feathers all around it. It's got like a pearl color to it. Really nicely done. I love when they have like special bases like that. But it seems to be more common. The feathers on the base are really delicate. It's quite nice. And she's got this little packaging on her. I think I have to pop her head off to get this off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take all the plastic wrap protection off of her and assemble her, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I actually held up the instructions just to make sure that I didn't yank on anything that wasn't supposed to come apart, because the plastic was between pieces. I'll just give you an idea what that looks like. Nothing really complicated, but it's always good to know. And this is her. Let's see, angle my light up a little. Won't get so much glare. And of course, I chose the black wings and a white wing. And then you have the additional white wing if you want to have her both with white wings. Now, She's really, really pretty. I love Tony Taka figures. Anything from the Shining Ark, Shining Wind, I believe, series is really, really, really nice. Her dress is of like a semi-transparent plastic. So is the part of the base. And this is pearlized. Her hair has a pearlized finish, very subtle. The wings are pretty simple. There's not really much shading or anything on them. They could have done a bit more with the wings, but they're really nice all the same. And let's see if it will focus on her face. Here we go. You can see the signature Tony Taka character. It looks just like his illustrations. And she has a super tiny waist under her dress. But yeah, this is my Panis Angelicus anime figure. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think. I'll try to get some pictures up as soon as possible on my site so you can get a better look at her if you're interested. Let's see, you can see her wing that way. Yeah, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!